Amid concerns that the Covid-19 situation in India may flare up again due to the increased mixing of people, crowds, and lack of COVID-appropriate behavior during the festive season, the R factor in some cities in India has already started showing an increasing trend. The R factor refers to the effective reproduction rate, which denotes the number of people getting infected by one infected person. If the value of R factor is above 1, it means that one infected person can spread the infection to more than one person, which suggests that the infection is spreading. The figures compiled by the Institute of Mathematical Science, Chennai, which has been tracking this value for India since the beginning of the pandemic, show that while for the country on a whole, the value has come down marginally over the past week, it has grown for at least 3 major metropolitan cities. For India, the R value came down from 0.93 last week to 0.91 this week. But the figures in Mumbai, Bengaluru and Kolkata have reached above 1 once again. In Mumbai, for instance, the R factor has gone up from 0.95 to 1.03, while in the case of Bengaluru, the effective reproduction rate of SARS-CoV-2 virus rose from 0.99 to 1.05. Similarly, in the case of Kolkata too, the figures rose from 1 to 1.06 this week. Among the metropolitan cities, Chennai is the only one showing a decline, and in the city, the R value came down from 1.05 to 0.95. For India, the value of R factor had crossed 1 on July 27 for the first time since May 7, in the wake of rise in cases in Kerala and some northeastern states, but has been stable for the last several weeks as the pandemic situation is now largely under control in most of the states in the country. In India, less than 20,000 new cases were reported in the preceding 24 hours, and the test positivity rate has stayed under 2% for several weeks.